How to recover WhatsApp account without mobile number and without email. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover WhatsApp account without phone number and email. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to understand limitations. Phone number is essential because WhatsApp account are tied to phone numbers. Email is used only for two-step verification recovery or contacting support if it's not mandatory for account recovery. So, this step in order to follow to recover your WhatsApp account is simply if you previously enabled two-step verification, you can simply enter the backup PIN code during login instead of the SMS code. If you don't remember your PIN, you can reset it by requesting assistance through WhatsApp Help Center. Or what you can do is you can directly visit WhatsApp Help Center. Using Google or any web browser, you can search for WhatsApp Help Center. Open the page and then go to the official website of WhatsApp Help Center. So here are different topics. You can simply provide your issue that you want to recover your WhatsApp account. And after that, relevant topics will appear on your screen. You simply need to open a particular one, and there you will have a particular solution for recovering your WhatsApp account without phone number or email. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.